Escape sequences are comprised of a backslash followed by a character. The backslash tells the compiler to treat the next character as special. Here are some examples. /n creates a new line character and moves the cursor to the next line. For example, io.print line 1 /n line 2 is going to print line 1 on the first line of the console and line 2 on the second. /double quotes prints a double quotes to the screen. Since double quotes is used to start and end a string literal, an escape sequence is needed to print the double quote symbol. For example, io.print my name is /double quote Duke /double quote is going to print my name is Duke, with Duke being enclosed in double quotes. /single quote is going to print a single quote to the screen. Since a single quote is used to start and end a character literal, an escape sequence is needed to print the single quote symbol. io.print Duke /quote S, a superstar, is going to print Duke's a superstar. 2 slashes is going to print a single slash. Because a slash is used to start an escape sequence, 2 are needed to print a single backslash symbol. io.print 6/7 study hours is going to print 6/7 study hours. /t prints a tab character to the screen. io.print name/t grade is going to print name and then a tab and then grade.